Hey guys, it's Cassie.
It's Richie.
So today we're going to be picking up a very special guest from Toronto. She's hanging out with us.
Our dear friend.
Do you know who she is? You probably do because of the title, but we're picking up Wendy. So we're going to be with Wendy. That's her YouTube channel name. With Wendy. Yeah, we're going to be filming an interesting video today. It's the Ugly Locations Lookbook Challenge.
I feel like we're kind of used to that. I don't know, but it's...
Yeah, we usually film in like janky alleyways like... and poo-filled rooftops. Seagull poo, not human feces. But yeah, it's gonna be really fun. I don't know what to expect. I think we're just gonna, just roam around, maybe grab some coffee with her and ice cream and just make a day out of it. Vancouver is currently super smoggy right now. I mean, the exposure is pretty high. I'll turn it down, but you still really can't. It's very, very smoggy because of the forest fires.
600 forest fires in BC.
I know, it's crazy. Look at that. Apparently we have the worst air quality in the world, and usually we have, usually we have like the best air quality, so it's a little sad. I guess that can also add to it being ugly. Ugly location challenge, ugly weather, ugly smog. I see her. Oh, that's a cool top. Okay. I think she made it. Hey! Hello. That top, you DIY'd it, right?
This top?
Yeah.
Yes. And this.
Oh my god.
So cute. Okay, so we found our first location. Wendy was like, let's shoot at the dollar store. This is actually her idea. This video was her idea, so props to you. It's actually so fun. I think it's gonna be a challenge for sure. Each of us are gonna film our outfits individually in 3 different locations. This is the dollar store. Oh, okay.
Alright.
Okay, we're crossing. Let's go. I hope they don't mind us filming in there.
Norm. She'll just like take the lead and go.
No, it's usually me. But for some reason. Film with the flip-flops. The bucket. Oh! Okay. Do you want to wear one for the video? No, probably not.
This is so happy. It's so neon.
She said that she wanted to hold that butterfly net in front of the lens. You know, it could make...
You want pink or yellow?
It could make like a cool... Okay. This is so funny. I hope they don't kick us out. Yeah, we have to look low-key. You need to take out that thing on your arm.
Oh yeah.
There we go. You're gonna be on the ground.
You found your racer boys.
Yeah, we have the race car vans. Okay.
Oh my gosh. So nice.
This is so funny. I love it. This is so cute. They sell this in like, oh, it's $10. How is this a dollar store? What? Okay, so this is not a dollar store. This is a multi-dollar store. Couple of dollars. Okay, Richie. I don't know.
She just smiled.
This looks kind of interesting, but we're gonna roll with it anyways.
I don't like the tiles, that's the only thing.
The tiles?
But it's ugly, right?
So many
That's
different
like
types
Kill
of-
Bill vibes.
How are there so many different types of school buses available? This is
I
so
know, right?
plentiful.
Okay, Wendy, show us what you got.
This one goes out to you.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, pose with it.
With
No, I'm just kidding. Just talk.
Like try to make it look cool.
Got some flowers. I don't know if they'll go with Richie's outfit, but why not? Oh my gosh, they sell so many disco balls. I think you should stand maybe like right there. Yeah, like in the corner. I found a diamond. Whoa.
We see many of you.
Right now I'm at the state of mind. And there's no tears left to cry. I think I'm gonna get this for myself.
Oh my god.
Well, we have to pay for it now. It's not, this is orange, but this is not orange.
I think it's just the
This
like
something-
one side is
We bought it, guys, just FYI.
Hey, still I'm emotional, that's how the lyric go. All of my tension, all of my typical, I might get tetanus. Yeah, please be a holy one. Yeah, please be a spiritual. Wait, I ain't recruiting yet, wait. I'm unintentional, spirit be lifting me higher. God got me young like a fireman. God got my back like a bag. God got my path, keep me accountable. God got the bad, dwelling his love is so. Hey, ain't no dancing to the rhythm now. Arms learning, kill the bow. Run. Take it all in for the check comes. Yeah. Take it all in for the check comes. Yeah. Take it all in for the check comes. Yeah.
Okay, we wrapped up on location 1, dollar store. Now we're getting donuts, cause why not?
Everything up top's vegan, as well as these two.
So explain to me how you made that bag, cause that literally looks store-bought. That's crazy. That is so cute.
And then this is convertible. So you can choose to wear it like crossbody.
Yeah.
Or you do this and now it's a backpack.
So both DIYs, the bag and the shirt, are gonna be on our channel in September. Okay, so we have 2 more locations to go. We have an hour, so it's crunch time. We're gonna do mine at some like sketchy alley, and then we're gonna do yours at a playground.
Something schoolish.
Something in a school,
Seesaw.
in a seesaw.
You guys still have seesaws? I feel like they get banned.
What?
Yeah,
In
like
Calgary,
the
they got banned.
like the wooden ones.
Why?
But I think the ones that are like plastic and have like those spiral like
Oh, is
coils
it?
at the bottom.
Okay.
Those are still.
It always takes one bad kid thing.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
yeah,
definitely
it's
like
banned for
injured my friend once. Okay, should I talk about this off camera? No, I'm gonna talk about it here. So we're at a gas station. I think this will be the location. We're also limited because we don't have it as many like interesting shots, I guess, or interesting props settings. So we shall see what we come up with. Okay, this is what we're working with. We got some direct sunlight, which is good. The ice machine, I like that. I like all the red going on. Okay.
Although I'm not gonna take it out because the moment you take it out, it just drips everywhere.
Yeah.
Your hair was all floaty.
Was so magic.
magic.
so magic.
Happy to shave my armpits today.
Banana. Oh gosh.
And then the cigarette butts.
Yeah.
This is so awkward. Like, it wasn't like a dollar store where we could just hide away. No, people are literally staring at us right now, which is great.
Gas is $1.47.
Jeez.
So expensive.
More than a woman, a goddess for all things. More than a woman, a goddess for all things. While we were cool in the groove and love song, I still remember how it felt when love was gone. Ooh, yeah. Even memories of that. Yeah. Even
Okay, so that was location 2. A little bit more challenging. Pressed for time.
to work with.
So many people, so many cars. It was a little dangerous, but you know.
Go here.
Okay, Tiggy Winkle. That is.
Tinky Winky.
little name.
It's like a Teletubby school. I don't even remember.
I don't remember.
Well, we found the school, guys. This kind of looks like a prison, right? This does not look like a preschool at all. That's actually a high school, but this is the elementary school.
That's
We
why
figured
looks
it
like
out.
Prison.
Yeah. Tiggy Winkle. Found the playground, but look at that rock wall though. That color blocking. It's literally you plus red.
Rock climbing. Oh my god.
Well, we're clearly a little too big for this. Whee.
God.
What you doing, Rich?
I'm taking pictures.
Are you taking pictures?
In the video, I was gonna slide in behind you, but then
Oh shoot.
I realized with my body weight now that probably would
Yeah,
not.
you're gonna like break my.
Yeah, we're not.
When we're kids.
I know. Hey, Wendy. Woo! That's kind of weird.
This is so cute. Those legs. I love the colors going on.
You must not know me. Ain't never been good to anybody. Man, I would step up to anybody. Don't talk to me like you anybody. Oh no. But I'm listening to this something different. And I'm feeling your resistance to love. And you make me wanna switch this. The way that I've been living, I don't get it. Why you love me?
So we're back home. What did you guys think of our experience today?
It was really spontaneous.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it was just like, oh, we found an ugly spot.
Yeah.
And just like,
We're like, oh, we found an object, like the gem.
yeah, we used a lot of props to kind of give it a nice effect.
Like finesse it a little bit. But yeah, I'm so happy that you got to be here and you know we were able to make things happen. And definitely go check out the video that we filmed on her channel because that was interesting.
Everything's like interesting.
Yeah, you want to explain what we did?
Yes, we went thrifting, and in the thrifting challenge, each of us randomly was assigned a color. We could get a whole outfit in that color, and so we did primary colors.
Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to Wendy. She does like awesome DIYs, like not even just like normal DIYs, but like sewing, like using a sewing machine, which is one thing that I want to learn. But
Yeah.
we did a sewing DIY once, and I was like, yo, I cannot do this.
Props to you.
Next time
You
we're
saw her
together.
backpack, right? So
Yeah,
Next
that
time
was
we're
yeah.
together,
Yeah,
we'll sew.
for sure.
Or like you will tell me what you want, and I'll just.
You can
Okay,
teach us.
okay,
Yeah.
sounds good. But yeah, definitely subscribe to our channel and subscribe to Wendy's channel and check us out on Instagram at Cassie Masenkai
At Richie Pamatuan.
With Wendy.
and at We Are to the Nines.
Don't forget to hashtag We Are To The Nines to be featured.
Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye! I was just being a little devious child. My friend and I were on a seesaw, right? I let go of the seesaw when I was on the bottom. She like hit her chest on like the little... She got hurt.
Poor Jen.
Some people call it seesaw, and some people call it
Saucy?
teeter-totter.
Teeter-totter.
Oh, teeter-totter.
I was gonna be like saucy. Saucy. Couple of dollars.